Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use Google Slides as a collaborative tool for Zoom breakout rooms. Note, before you can use Google Slides as a tool, you must create the Google Slides. If you need guidance on this, please watch the video tutorial on how to create Google Slides in Google Drive. Now let's get started. In this scenario, I am a Math 101 leader and we are reviewing addition in my essay session this week. Thus, I've created addition problems for my students to practice in my Google Slides. I plan to assign one slide to each group so the teams can work together to solve the problems on each of their assigned slide. Now, to use the Google Slide in my Zoom session, I first need to get the shareable link. To get the shareable link, click the Share button on the right corner of the screen. Then you click the Get Shareable Link button. Now fix the setting by clicking it and selecting More. Please click Anyone with the link and select Can Edit. Now click Save. This will generate the link that you will need for adding the Google Slides into your Zoom sessions.